So the pike position, so I'm here, okay, so this is hyperextension, that lumbar spine, so I'm going to tuck the butt, tuck the pelvis, squeeze the butt a little bit, so I'm nice, neutral spine, okay, and then the pike position is just lifting the hips, keeping the legs straight, coming up, and then right back down to that push-up, up and down here. So that's the exercise here. Couple cues I like is really, one is, like I mentioned, trying to keep those legs straight the entire time and lifting from the hips and abs. Just tell people you want to pike up from the midsection of the body. Abs, hips, lift. Some people say, am I going high enough? Am I going high enough? I'm not as concerned with that part of the movement as I am at the bottom part. Okay? I just tell them to go as high as they can comfortably as long as they maintain good form. I think that's the key. So if some folks just get here, that's fine. It's the bottom, it's this that I'm more concerned with, that they don't lose that lumbar, okay, so they don't come down here.